So you've got a Half-Life 2 model imported into Source Filmmaker, and you've got some audio imported. That is some pretty loud audio, but you got it imported, and that's what your character's going to say. Now, you can either individually pose every single thing. So that's ah. And this is going to take a long time. So what if there was a way to do this faster? Well, there is. Let me change the volume on this real quick so you can hear me better. So if you right-click the model, show element viewer, or show an element viewer, animation set, right-click on the name, right here there will be an option for creates phoneme presets based on Half-Life or HL2 FACS controls. Now, if you press this, well, nothing will happen, but if you select the face, then the audio file, select the audio file, then face, I am sorry guys, extract phonemes, it will give you well, it does look pretty bad, but you get a pretty good base reference. So, every single spike, keyframe it. Ooh, try to get as close as you can. Interesting. Also, let's just keep it at I wonder if that guy. Audios from 8 Crazy Nights by Adam Sandler. So, now we've got keyframes and we've got a rough estimate. So now we just need to fix these up. Which would be like this, wide open. Around the end, it would probably close a little bit like this, going into a parted lip. And now he says wonder, which starts with the W, which would be a woo, puckerer. And now we could just skip a few. Actually, you know what? Let's make that a funneler, more expressive. I don't like that one. But he says if, which starts with an I, but it goes immediately to an F sound. So let's only open it just a little. Ooh. Ooh, so you can see, at least where I've keyframed so far, it looks acceptable. So let's drop this down a little bit. Undo that clench. Not sure why he's clenching his jaw there. Funneler for that. Let's Let's delete that keyframe. Copy this keyframe here. And now he says guy, which would probably be a G sound funneler with a clench. It's a good idea to like sound out the sounds with your mouth as you do this too. If you have a mirror present, that is even better. Sometimes what I do if someone talks really, really fast and this method has too much artifacts, what I will do is I will record my face and I try to say it exactly like the original reference. And then I look at my mouth and I try to animate what my mouth looks like in that video. And just like guy also ends with the mouth closing. What the hell happened here? Well then. Huh. Interesting. So, you get the basic gist. Right click, element viewer animation set. Phoneme is based off Half-Life 2 FACS controls. Sorry, it's just like WTF, I immediately convert HL2 to Half-Life 2 in my head. And then you just right click, then extract the phonemes, and then you keyframe around the end of each spike, and then you fine tune them to make them look better. Usually I take a lot more time to do this, but thank you for watching. I hope this helps you.